Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to repurpose and upcycle several of these Dollar Tree framed mirrors into glam coasters and beautiful candle holders. To start, I will list out the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials for this DIY is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. First, you will need a few of these round Dollar Tree framed mirrors, which come in an assortment of decorative designs both in gold as well as silver black. These decorative mirrors measure 9.5 by 9.5 inches. To decorate the coasters, we will need an assortment of embellishments, including some clear rhinestone flat back square gems, which I purchased in bulk online, some silver rhinestone ribbon, also bought in bulk from Amazon, some silver beaded necklace, and some clear or white vase fillers. We'll also need some white paint, or in my case, some leftover white primer from my local hardware store. And as per many of my craft projects, we will also be using some Mod Podge that will dry clear, some clear tacky glue, as well as some hot glue. My hot glue gun is from Amazon. For each of our coasters, we will need to use a strong pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife to remove the decorative frame from each mirror. This step will be a bit tedious, so take your time removing the frame and do it section by section. You will find that the frames are actually a hard plastic, but quite easy to remove with a bit of elbow grease and patience. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Here you can see me using a pair of scissors to trim the bits and pieces that were left behind. And here you will see that while removing the frame, a piece of the frame that should not have been removed is now missing. But all I did was take the missing piece and reattach it with some hot glue. Once we're done, no one would even know. And here are the three mirrors with their decorative frames removed. And now onto the fun part. For the first coaster, we will use some of this beautiful rhinestone ribbon to cover the sides of one of the mirrors. This ribbon can be cut to size and comes with a very sticky backing, so no glue is required. Once the sides of the mirror is covered, repeat by applying the same rhinestone ribbon to the outer face of the top of the mirror. Then cover the edge circumference of the mirror with a string of silver beaded necklace. For this step, use tiny dollops of hot glue. For our
And
second
here is
coaster,
the
we will
final look
take a
for our
different
first
rhinestone
coaster.
ribbon and using some hot glue, adhere the top outer face of the mirror with a rhinestone ribbon. This ribbon is very flexible and can be easily manipulated into the circle shape of the mirror. For the sides of this second coaster, cut to size some black rhinestone mesh and using some hot glue, adhere it to the sides of the mirror. Next, hide the seams by adhering a string of silver beaded necklace using some hot glue. And here is the final look for our second coaster. For our third coaster, we will paint the top front part of the mirror with some white primer to cover the black and gold coloring. Then, using some clear tacky glue or some hot glue, adhere a row of loose flat back square gems all around the sides. Next, apply some Mod Podge to the top part of the frame that we previously painted white. Then sprinkle the white or clear vase fillers all around. You may need to apply a second coat if you want more of a clustered look. And also make sure you seal everything with a final coat of Mod Podge. Let dry for a few hours before use. And here's the final look for all three of our Glam coasters, which double as beautiful candle holders. Comment down below and let me know which one you like best. The shimmery one with silver beaded necklace embellishment, the black and gold silver rhinestone one, or the white ice rink version. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.